Hello, this is Daniel Hill, and this is my homework 4. It is a college bookstore access code program. Basically, it would be used by a bookstore clerk in a university. When a buyer comes up and tells them what app they need, they'll use the buyer's credit card number, the credit card expiration month and year, the app that the buyer's purchasing, and if they are a student, it will validate the inputs and then display a total. It would either be the price of the app or the price of the app minus the discount if they are a student, and then it will record all that information to a text file. And also, it's supposed to be able to read that text file again and be able to display the total amount of money made from all the sales of that day. So it would basically read the totals from all of the sales in the text file and display them. Unfortunately, I could not get that to work. I can explain why later, or what I ran into, what gave me trouble. But first, let me show the program. No errors. So we have an input for credit card number, month, year for credit card expiration date, list box here with our app names, checkbox to see if I'm a student. Got three buttons: find total, clear, and daily total. So I guess to continue, let me press final total. As you can see, I'm getting an input validation error. Please input a credit card number. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll put my name. Please input a credit card number. It won't take that. Let me put in just a regular old number. Make sure your credit card number is 16 digits long. Okay, fine. Alright, please input a month and number format. So I'm going to have to go 01. Please input the last two digits of your year. 21. And this will give me a price. Now I've also got input validation on this list box, but I didn't really get to show it because I clicked on it when I was showing you the program. But also, I can select the discount and get a different price. So that's the price without the discount. That's the price with the discount. I can update it by selecting a new app and then find total. And if I select discount, I'm getting a discount rate on all of my items. Now I also have a clear button here. It returns everything. No item is selected in the list box. Credit card input empty. Month, year unchecked. And I guess now I can show you the input error for the list box. So that's all I've got right now. This button doesn't do anything because I wasn't able to figure that part out. But let me show you the code for the form. So I've got some class variables, month, year, selected index of the list box, credit card number as a string, discount, total, app name as a string, and a file writer that I use to write to the text file. Oh, speaking of which, the text file. Let me show you. So as you can see, it is showing the text from the text file, or it's writing the results to the text file. So I guess I should probably demo that. So our last item here is Power Buy with a student discount, 11223344 credit card number. Let's do 2345111122223333. I'll go Vizio 0599. No student discount. I've got $14.99. Close. And let's see if it wrote. Yep. We got our credit card number, our app name, discount amount, and total amount. So anyways, back to the form. I used 3 arrays. I used one for the app names, one for the app prices, and one for the app discount rates. This helped me use the list box selected index to perform calculations and track all this information. So on loading, it loads up all the app names in the list box. That's all. Final total. This is the input validation section. Next, I assigned inputs to the variables, and then it checked for the student discount using the checkbox. And I assigned, if they were applying a discount, it assigned that discount amount to decimal discount, and if it was not checked, then the decimal discount remained 0. And this is the code to update and show the label with the new price. And right here is the file writer. So I finish assigning variables from my inputs up here to class variables, and then I do an if statement here. So if the credit card number is not blank and the app name is not blank, then I instantiate a new file writer and I run write record. Here's the clear button. It changes everything back to what it was. And as you can see, I never figured this out. So here is the file writer. I've got a credit card number, discount, total, app name. Here's the constructor. I just assigned those variables. And here's a write record. Pretty much pulled the one from chapter 10 assignment and repurposed it with these new variables. Yeah, so that's what works. The trouble I was having with the file reader is I really wanted it to read starting from right to left instead of left to right, so I could catch this total, and then I would have it stop at a comma. And I think that's a thing you can do. I just can't find it online or in the textbook. I know we've never done anything like this in past assignments, and I read all the sections on file reading, so I really couldn't figure out how to isolate just the total, which made continuing further pointless. Because yeah, I can show you I can do basic math, but if I can't read the file, then it's nothing. But that is the use case scenario and the program. Thank you.